So 2022 is coming to an end. And as you all know, I've uploaded only 18 videos this year, which is pretty low. And because of that, I cannot make a 2022 rewind video just like I did last year and last to last year because I don't have enough clips to put in that. So here's a compilation of the funniest moments from the videos I made in 2022. Let's get started. Okay, cool sound effects. We have some Google Chrome game. I'm so bad. I'm so bad. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so this. Ooh, we have water. Wait a second. Oh, it floats. That is cool. Look behind your door. There is nothing. I can see it clearly through the mirror. Shut up!
Oh, hell no!
Oh. I was kidding. This was funny. I was actually checking if I had done that perfectly on my phone. Rude! I'll ban you in Scratch. Good luck with that. Good luck. Whatever. Whatever. Enter Dugan is a bad game, man. What is Enter Dugan? Shut up, rude man. If you do, I will send my dad in here. Be rude and I will let my dad take my account. Okay, sure. Hello, I am dad. He is his dad. Now this is getting really serious. So what has he been doing? Okay, so that's all for this video. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you guys. Thank you guys for watching.
Hello guys.
Hello.
My name is Ajay.
Whoa, what? What is your name?
Let's start.
This is really easy. What if I click? Ooh, what is this? This is not scary at all. It looks weak. Your settings update log play. Okay, this is really easy. The jump has a kind of problem, I guess. No, it doesn't. The problem is me. Hi. Not you again. Excuse me, that is rude. What? I'm telling Mcvincient. Mcvincient. I am Mcvincient. Mcvincient.
Hello. Today I will ask some questions from you. Okay. First question. What is your name?
Fanjo, as always.
Hey, Fanjois.
Fanjo.
Your name is very nice.
Name is very nice.
Second question. What do you like very much?
YouTube.
Oh, YouTube. I like to beat my friend very much.
That was funny. This is really easy. They will never be able to touch me. Like, never. Oh, the purple ones may touch me. I got invited to a party, but I can't decide which shirt I should wear. Okay, can you help me? Yes. Okay. Let's pick the worst t-shirt. Okay, this one. Okay, done. Thank you. That was the game. That's it. What if we say no? Can you help me? No. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.